everyone, welcome to chapter 4 lines and angle. Today we are going to see vertically opposite angle and the question based upon it. Let us understand what exactly the vertically opposite angles mean. We are having the theorem. Our theorem is in question number 1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means given, what is given here? Two lines AB and CD intersect at point O. You can see here, this is your AB, this is your CD, and they are intersecting at point O. We have to show that this angle is equal to this. Given two lines AB and CD intersect at point O, to prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This is angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and second one, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Now just see how can we prove this one. We can label by the angles also we can prove, and we can also give the angles as numbering. Like I have given here 1, 2, 3. Now just see the proof of first one. As ray OA stands on line CD, right? Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. This is linear pair, and we can give as equation number 1. Similarly, ray OD stands on line. You can see this OD standing on the line AB. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. This is again linear pair, and give it equation number 2. Right? Now you can see here from 1 and 2 both are having 180. We can write angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 2 plus 3. 2 and 2 will be cancelled on comparing. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now when angle 1 is equal to angle 3, what we have shown that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Right? And similarly, when you have shown that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, just see how can we prove the another one. I'm just rubbing it. For second result, angle AOD, what will be angle AOD? That is 180 minus angle, your angle AOD is equal to 180 minus angle 3, or we can write angle BOD. Similarly, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus angle AOC. And we have seen that equals, when subtracted from equal, the remainder is equal. That means just see this is 180, and already we have proved that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So by using that property, you can give that property 1, 2. We can write here as angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. You will give them equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we can have this result, that is angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. You can prove one and you can just write similarly the other will also hold. So this is how we have proved that if two lines intersect each other, then the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Now based upon this, we are moving on to the question. Our question is, find the value of y in the given figure. You can see here, this one, the question is in this format, right? Now, we can write angle COD is equal to 5y. How? Because this is vertically opposite angle, right? This is vertically opposite angle, or you can write angle COD, no? Before that you can write angle EOF is equal to angle COD, and this is equal to 5y, and this is your vertically opposite angle. Again, angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA is equal to 180. Reason, BOA is a straight line, right? Therefore, you can write now their values. 5y plus 5y plus 2y is equal to 180. 12y is equal to 180, and your y is equal to 180 divided by 12, and that is equal to 15 degree. So this is how we have proved how with the given figure we can find out the value of the unknown variable. Thank you.